Hello there everyone, I hope you all are having a good day. So right now I'm in Kitchener downtown area and right now I will show you the Conestoga campus in Kitchener downtown. So let's see around here first. So right behind me we have the Waterloo Region Courthouse, and apart from that we have the Apply Board office over here, and right in front we have the Conestoga DTK campus. So let's go in and explore the campus. So this is the campus entry. This is the main floor, CSI's office. And let me quickly show you the campus tour first. Everything. Different sizes, different colors. You'll find mugs here. Achhe. Conestoga bags, stationery items, and a lot more. Hoodies. This is Conestoga DTK campus. Right now semester break is going on, so it's empty, but it's a great campus, I would say. Such a modern campus. So we have classrooms here and then faculty offices. Let's go explore the classroom. So it has sensing lights. Right now I'm in a classroom at DTK campus and you can see the classroom is huge. It's amazing. Classes are held over here. They have this sitting space for students where you can sit. Let's go this way. Different classrooms on the right side. Place to sit. Let's go this way. So I have a friend here with me, Mayank, who came all the way from Brantford to this campus here with me. So let's ask his overall experience till now. We have not explored the campus fully, but how is the campus?
It's a great big campus. The facilities are great over here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Did you like every infrastructure?
yeah, it's great.
It's really modern, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's go explore further. They have these collaboration rooms over here where you can collab, sit with students and collab. You can connect your laptop here, and if you have any projects or anything, you can discuss it over here. Let's go further and explore. There are classrooms. There is this information booth. Let's go further and explore. It's also a very big campus, I would say. And have a look at the lab. So these are the labs. Amazing. I love this campus as well. Amazing campus. The infrastructure at this campus is modern as well. It's an amazing campus, I would say. Let's go out and explore the rest of the campus. is a sitting space over here, and they have different computers for the students to use. They have sensing lights over here, so when someone walks in, the lights automatically turn on. Great feature. And this campus is good as well. Considering it's in downtown Kitchener and they don't have much space, they have made it very beautifully. It's like spacious, I would say. Right now the campus is not crowded because break is going on after exam break. So I guess it stays quite busy when the classes are running. This is our beautiful international office, classroom. This is Market Square, but they have different classes here as well. Let's go and explore. Have Talent Hub over here. They have different classrooms over here. Conestoga Talent Hub. Now let's go and sit and let's have my overall experience review as well as Mayank's overall experience. So let's go. So Mayank, let's know your overall experience of this campus.
So, to be honest, this it's a great campus. The facilities are great. Uh, the the space for students, so you can sit anywhere. That there's a lot of space for students to sit anywhere, and they can do their own work project or a room like this where you can work on team or on a project. So this is actually a great campus.
Yeah, and what is different from Brantford campus over here? Like, let's say we should even not compare Brantford campus to DTK campus, but what do you think is better over here?
So this campus is pretty big, big. And the facility, if we can see the lighting and all, it's great. Um, when you enter the campus, the gate and all the welcome sign for students, it's amazing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
true. And then it is modern. The infrastructure here is overall so good. And I believe even Brantford, there's a project going on, so they will make that campus even better. But coming from that campus over here, we think it's an amazing campus. I have explored Waterloo campus, Doon campus, and then now DTK campus. So far, every campus is great, I would say. And the studies are almost same. Student study the same way in every campus. So yeah, this was all about this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. जल्दी मिलते हैं आने वाली अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए गुड बाय एंड टेक केयर.